Hi guys. So guys, today we're gonna make some delicious shredded Mexican beef. Now you can use this beef for all types of things. You can make tacos with it. You can make burritos with it. You can make enchiladas with it, which I did make enchiladas. Today I'm gonna show you how I made a quick and easy chimichanga with it. But it's really, really delicious, you guys, and it's pretty simple to throw together. It was really simple to throw together. Now, I got a request for a slow cooker recipe, so I thought this one would be perfect. So I did the slow cooking method. I got it together the evening before, and I let it slow cook overnight until it was juicy and tender, which that took about 8 to 9 hours. Now, you can also use it the Instapot way, your pressure cooker way, and it'll be done within like 50 minutes, 45 to 50 minutes. This recipe is easy to throw together. The meat is so tender, juicy, so flavorful. So guys, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chuck roast, which is about 2 to 2.5 pounds, and we're gonna go ahead and sear it on both sides. We're gonna lock in that juice and lock in that flavor. So I took my cast iron skillet and I got it screaming hot, and I went ahead and seared my roast on both sides. I did add salt and pepper to both sides, so make sure you add your salt and pepper, and you want to sear it. You want to get a nice crust on both sides. So now that our roast is seared on both sides and we got a nice crust, we're gonna go ahead and add it to our slow cooker or your pressure cooker, whichever way you're making it. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw in some diced onion, some minced garlic. We're gonna add in some smoked paprika. We're gonna add in some onion powder and garlic powder. Next, we're gonna throw in some Mexican oregano. And we have to add some cumin to this. And then we're gonna throw in some chili powder and salt and pepper. Now, if you have some fresh cilantro, go ahead and add that in. But I had these cubes I've never used them before, but I saw they were on sale. They were 99 cents. So I was like, oh, I'm just gonna throw them in the freezer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this frozen cubed cilantro. And then we're gonna add in some fresh lime juice. And then we're gonna squeeze in some fresh orange juice. And we're gonna top it off with some beef broth. So as I said, guys, I used the slow cooking method for this. Now I just went ahead and let it cook overnight for about 8 to 10 hours. It was done at about 8.5 hours. It was nice and tender, but I like to go the extra mile, so I just went ahead and let it cook for about another hour or so. We're gonna go ahead and take it out of the pot, and you wanna shred it up and set it aside. Now all that leftover juice and yumminess and flavor in that pot, we're gonna go ahead and cook it down. You let it cook down until it starts to get nice and thick. And once it's nice and thick, you wanna go ahead and spoon it over your meat and mix it in. And you guys, you wanna talk about flavor? We can talk about flavor. I'm corny, I know. But you guys, it's so juicy, it's so flavorful. If you need to add a little bit more salt right here, go ahead. Y'all, like I said, you can make so many different things with this beef. It's so delicious. So the first thing I made with the beef was some chimichangas, girl. And that's really simple. All you have to do is warm you up a flour tortilla, add in your meat and your cheese and whatever else you want to throw in there. Roll it up, then you're gonna fry it, deep fry it until it's golden brown and crispy on the outside. And there's your chimichanga. Now I love to put enchilada sauce on top. I like to make it into a wet chimichanga. So I added some enchilada sauce to the top and some cheese and green onions. You want to talk about good? That chimichanga was good. Thank you guys for all your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for giving me feedback. Thank you for all the love. Thanks, you guys. I really delicious shredded beef video. Go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you like it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe already. And I will keep bringing you guys some delicious recipes. I'm excited for summer recipes, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Yum.